a lot of nights praying, with my head down by the bed, holding on to little pieces of hope, and every answer felt like not yet. I kept showing up every morning, even when my heart felt tired. Kept watering dreams in the dark, believing they'd catch fire. Now the sky looks a little brighter, and the weight don't feel the same. It's like heaven whispered softly, everything is about to change. Every closed door had a reason, every delay had its time. Sometimes blessings need a little patience before they arrive. The doors are opening, I can feel it in my soul. Everything I almost gave up on is finally coming home. The doors are opening, new chances on the way. Maybe your road has been longer, maybe your tears fell in secret, maybe you almost lost your faith because you couldn't see the reason. But look at you, you're still standing, still dreaming after all this time. And sometimes that's the miracle, just refusing to leave your light behind. What belongs to you is coming. You don't have to chase the sun when your season finally finds you. But you know the wait was worth it all. No more doubting your tomorrow, no more counting what went wrong. Your story's turning a new page, and the night won't last too long. The doors are opening, I can feel it in my soul. Everything I almost gave up on is finally coming home. Doors are opening, new chances on the way. Every prayer I've ever whispered found its place today. I can hear opportunity knock like music in the wind. The doors are opening, I'm walking in. For the ones who kept believing, for the ones who never quit, for the ones who stay hopeful even when life didn't make sense. This is your reminder that your time is drawing near. The blessings you've been